forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Scrappy Log Cabin. We're using 2-inch finished squares for the entire block, and this is a 5x5 grid. So we have 5 blocks across and 5 blocks down. So 5 times 2 is 10, and that's why we have a 10-inch block. Here are 16 blocks set block to block, and this is the barn raising pattern for log cabin blocks. Any log cabin setting can be used to make the quilt. Here's our patch A, is a 2-inch finished square. We cut 2.5-inch squares. We'll need 10 assorted of the light fabrics. I'm using low volume prints. You can use the same fabric or you can use whatever you want. We need 5 patches of the black fabric and then 10 assorted patches of the medium to dark fabrics. And these are the cutting instructions for the individual fabrics. Here's a quilt. This quilt is 60 by 80 inches. There's 48 blocks, set 6 across and 8 down. And these tell you how much fabric you need of the light fabrics, the dark fabrics, and the black fabric to make this quilt. Here are my fabrics, my low volume lights and my medium to dark fabrics, and then my black squares. For this, I'm just going to lay the block out on the proppet board, and then we'll just stitch it together. So we'll start here. And there's our block. We'll sew these patches into a row, and each row we'll sew together. Press your seams and then sew all the rows together, and your block will be finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.